Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to whiten teeth in Photoshop so your smiles can shine even brighter in your photos. Let's get started. First, open the image you want to work on in Photoshop. Make sure it's a high resolution image for the best results. Now please choose the lasso tool here, and then we will zoom in the image so that we can carefully select the teeth we want to whiten. So now that we're done choosing the teeth, all we have to do now is go here in the layers tab and then choose create new fill and adjustment layer. And then please select hue and saturation. And in the drop down menu here, please choose yellows. And then you can then edit the color of the teeth now. See? It is already white. And that's it. You now know how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. It's a simple technique that can make a big difference in your photos, giving you a dazzling smile. Remember, subtlety is key when whitening teeth in Photoshop. Avoid overdoing it for a more natural look, and your photos will look fantastic. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to whiten teeth in Photoshop. See you on my next video.